Hi friends, I'm Kathy. Welcome back to Rounder Cathy. In this video, I'll show you how to make a mini car using an empty soap box. So let's start. First, you'll need a soap box. It's better if you use a bigger soap box. Measure your doll and cut two rectangles on the top of the box. If you aren't making this for your doll, you can just cut it in the size you need. After cutting, it should look similar to this. Now, glue the opening of the soap box like this. Glue these sides and trim the excess. To make the seat, you can use cardstock. I am just recycling an old invitation card. Measure your doll and cut the size you need. If you wish to make a bigger car, you can just use a bigger box and make it. In order to make a bigger car, you can just use a Lotte Choco Pie box or something like that. To make the seat rest, you can just use the pieces which we have cut from the soap box. In order to add some height to the seats, you can just use some cardboard. Cut the cardboards and glue it to the bottom of the seats. Cover the cardboard which you are going to use to make the seat. After wrapping, it should look like this. Glue all these pieces together to make the seat of the car. The seats must look similar to this. Now wrap paper around the car also. I am making a green color car. You can use any color you want. After wrapping the base of the car, just glue the seats on the car like this. Now make wheels for the car using cardboard. Use black and silver paint for the details of the wheels. Glue one wheel to the back of the car like this. Then glue all of the four wheels on the car. Instead of lights, you can use rhinestones. If you don't have rhinestone, you can just draw the light using sketch. Use cardstocks to make the number plate. Write the number or name you want. Glue the number plate to the front and back sides of the car. Use rhinestones instead of the side mirrors. Once again, if you don't have rhinestone, you can use painted cardboard. Draw some details using sketch pen. I have drawn the doors and the handles using sketch. So friends, this is the final look of the car. If you like this video, like, share and comment. And for more interesting videos like this, subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye. See you in next video.